Many people consider cayenne peppers to be the king of medicinal herbs. In fact, these peppers have been used for thousands of years to help treat many health problems. Not only do they have medicinal properties, but cayenne peppers are also great for cooking and contain several beneficial nutrients. What are cayenne peppers? Cayenne peppers are a type of chili pepper. They belong to the nightshade family of flowering plants and are closely related to bell peppers and jalapeños. They were originally grown in Central and South America, but brought to Europe in the 15th century by Christopher Columbus. Cayenne peppers are a popular spice used in many different regional styles of cooking, and they have been used medicinally for thousands of years. 1 tablespoon 5 grams of cayenne pepper contains the following: 17 calories, fat 1 gram, carbs 3 grams, fiber 1.4 grams, protein 0.6 grams, vitamin A 44% of the RDI, vitamin E 8% of the RDI, vitamin C 7% of the RDI. Vitamin B6, 6% of the RDI, vitamin K, 5% of the RDI, manganese, 5% of the RDI, potassium, 3% of the RDI, riboflavin, 3% of the RDI. 1. Can help reduce hunger. Many studies show the capsaicin in cayenne peppers helps reduce hunger. How it does this is not completely understood. But one study showed that it reduces the production of the hunger hormone ghrelin. 2. Digestive health. Dietary spices and their active components may provide many benefits for your stomach. For example, cayenne pepper may help boost the stomach's defense against infections, increase digestive fluid production and help deliver enzymes to the stomach, aiding digestion. While some believe that spicy food may cause stomach ulcers, a review paper has shown that the capsaicin in cayenne peppers may actually help reduce the risk of stomach ulcers. 3. May improve psoriasis. Autoimmune diseases are conditions in which your body attacks itself. Psoriasis is an example of an autoimmune disease that appears as patches of red, itchy and scaly skin. Currently, there is no cure for psoriasis. One study showed that psoriasis patients treated with capsaicin cream had significantly reduced scaling, redness and patchiness than patients who received a placebo cream. 4. Lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is a huge health risk worldwide. In fact, over 40% of adults over 25 have high blood pressure. Interestingly, animal studies have shown that the capsaicin in cayenne peppers may reduce high blood pressure. 5. Boost your metabolism. The capsaicin in cayenne peppers has metabolism-boosting properties. It helps increase the amount of heat your body produces, making you burn more calories per day. It does this through a process called diet-induced thermogenesis, which causes an increase in your metabolism. In one study, people who ate a breakfast containing capsaicin and medium-chain triglyceride oil burned 51% more calories during that meal, compared to people who had neither for breakfast. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.